Your big purpose is the most important aspect of community design, the proven framework to build a successful community, course, or membership that sees incredible engagement and revenue. All you need is a big idea, the general thing that you want to bring people together to do. From there, you can get your big purpose, which is the people that you're bringing together, your ideal member, and the results and transformation that you will achieve in your community. Luckily, we have everything you need to create your big purpose built directly into your Mighty network. Just click on the gear icon, head over to General, and mouse down to Community Design. This is where you can fill out your big purpose. We have videos directly built in to help you, from your big idea, your ideal member, your best year ever, to, of course, your big purpose. And again, the sentence, the formula, the pitch is, I want to bring together your ideal member so that we can have our best year ever. With your ideal member, you want to be specific. You want to make sure that you are being clear on the transition that your ideal members are going through. The most successful communities bring together members that have a change going on in their life. Maybe they want to do something new. Maybe they're experiencing something different in life. Maybe they want to learn something. Anything like that is a reason to bring people together. And then their best year ever are the things that they are going to achieve together. You can also use Mighty Co-host to help you. Click on the star icon, or just all the way to the right of your screen to open up Mighty Co-host. Let it know what you want. If you need help thinking of a best year ever, thinking of your ideal member, or getting more specific, you can go ahead and ask. Every single aspect of community design can be used in Co-host to help you come up with those ideas, and I'll talk more about the other aspects of community design in the next video. So, for example, Co-host went ahead and pulled out my current big purpose, lets me know that I'm successful naming my ideal member in my transition, and shows me how to make it more specific. People who just moved and want to find an adventure crew, conquer the base trails, and finally feel like locals. From there, you can go ahead and add this to your big purpose. Mighty Co-host will automatically enter this into your admin settings, and when you do that, it's going to make Co-host smarter. It's going to make it easier to think of your monthly themes, your weekly calendar, and everything else we will discuss in our next tutorial. Now, again, if you want to learn more about anything to do with community design, head over to those settings right there in your admin and watch the videos that our founder and CEO, Gina Bianchini, recorded just for you.